Medige surgical light installation. 1. Preparation tools. Phillips screwdriver, pliers, adhesive tape, wrench with diameter 17 to 19, hammer, level, electric hammer, drill bit with diameter 16 and corresponding expansion bolts. 2. Install the surgical light bracket. Completely fix the bracket on the ceiling. There should be at least 6 expansion bolts, and they should be evenly distributed to ensure that each side is fixed with bolts. 3. Unpack the package. A. Unpack the package with a hammer or corresponding tools. B. Take out the screws and place them on the bracket one by one, and screw a nut on each screw. C. Take out the operating light base and connect it with the bracket. Once connected, tighten the first nut. D. Use a level to adjust the operating light to the level, and fix the base to the bracket with nuts after adjustment. 4. Take out the balance arm and the rotating arm. Pay attention to the same color when connecting the power cord, and fix it with 3 screws. 5. Take out the lamp head and balance arm. A. Fix it with 3 screws. B. Reflex surgery lamp head. Take out the torch, plug in the light bulb, install it on the lamp head, and fix it with 3 screws. C. LED surgical shadowless lamp head. After being fixed with the balance arm, there is no need to install a bulb on the torch, and the torch can be installed directly, and fixed with 3 screws. 6. Turn on the power. There is a power reserve line on the base, which is connected to 220 volts. 7. Install the base lighting cover. 8. The installation is complete. If you have any questions or need more assistance, please make sure to reach us again. We are here for you.